It's 6:30 in the morning on Saturday, and I'm getting ready to teach a Vinyan class at 8 o'clock. I've been a little nervous about it. It's the first time I will have taught on my own. Here I'm out of my home. And as I came downstairs to feed the birds and my cat and the things that are my normal morning routines, this is what greeted me. I thought, oh my goodness, the beauty just doesn't end. This glorious rainbow to meet the day. And along with the rainbow, you can hear the birds. They're greeting the day too, as if there's nothing but joy here. Wherever you are today, remember to be grateful for even the smallest things and the larger things, even these serendipitous bits of beauty that we get to see. Stay safe, stay home.